Greetings! This is President and Founder of Cosmic Dynamics Corporation, James Kurtz II here, and today I wanted to do my introduction video to tell you a little bit about myself, my ideas, and my company, as well as what I'm hoping to accomplish with this project and the type of environment I'm aiming to inspire through this project. First, I thought it would be a good idea to go over a little bit of personal history. That way, you could begin to understand what type of individual I am and what type of company I'm running. So, without further ado, let's start with some basic information about me. I was born August 30th, 1990 in Wahiawa, Hawaii, which would make me 28 years old at the time this video was produced. I graduated Pasco High School in 2008 and received a high school diploma, then began to study at Pasco Hernando Community College, where I ultimately dropped out in 2011. From the time I was a child, and for as long as I can remember, I've always had a deep-seated curiosity about the inner workings of the natural world and the mysteries of the universe, which compelled me to answer questions utilizing the scientific method and to pursue scientific studies. And let me tell you, I haven't been disappointed with the results. Up until I was about 10, I wanted to be a marine biologist. The biodiversity associated with the ocean and the idea that life itself may have arisen from the ocean were very captivating ideas for me that laid a foundation for wanting to pursue scientific understanding. In my early adolescence, I began to branch out and study the field of herpetology. The idea that an animal's bodily mechanics could be mitigated by the temperature of its environment was completely fascinating to me, which made me want to understand these creatures more. So much so that I ultimately ended up delivering lectures for the high school I attended and spent nearly a year volunteering at Glades Herpetological Farm. In my early 20s, I ran into a crisis. I realized that my studies in herpetology were taking me nowhere. If I wanted to make groundbreaking scientific discoveries and innovations happen, I had to begin to understand physics. Not the best position to be in for someone who just dropped out of college a couple years ago, at the time. So, what did I do? I went to my local hardware store and decided to pick up a couple magnets and began experimenting with them, trying out different arrangements, seeing what could come about. When I wasn't satisfied with the results, I began to look for different magnets elsewhere and began to order specialty magnets that came in different shapes from suppliers such as K&J Magnetics, until ultimately I had prototypes put together that I was satisfied with. I filed my first patent in 2016, and it's still at patent pending status. I formed Cosmic Dynamics Corporation in 2017 and sponsored my first defense contracting summit earlier this year. There's a lot of things that I hope to accomplish with this page. The main thing is inspiring a discussion about how to solve the problems of the future by promoting science, technology, innovation, and space. And in order to do that, we need to have a platform for respectable connectivity. And it is my hope that I will be able to provide that platform for you. As time progresses, I'm going to be putting more videos out and elaborating on my concepts and innovations more. But in the meantime, I would appreciate it if you please stay tuned as I continue to promote my business and expand production capabilities. Thank you, and I look forward to producing more content for you in the future. Thank you.